student, this is my lecture number 13 of the topic some basic concept of chemistry for class 11. This is the continuous part from previous lecture 12. As last segment we have studied the expression for concentration of solutions, and now we have checked some of the numerous problems regarding this topic, and the following questions which already seen in last clip. The question is that 2 gram of A dissolved in 18 gram of H2. Calculate the mass percentage. As we know, the mass of solution. As we know, mass of solution, this is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solutions, mass of solvent. So 2 gram of solute dissolved in 18 gram of water, so that total mass of solution is 20 gram. Now we have to find the mass percentage. Mass percentage is mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. That is 10%. Answer is 10%. Now second question. Now we have to take second question. Question is that calculate the molarity of NaOH. Calculate the molarity of NaOH to the solution prepared by dissolving 4 gram in 250 ml of solution. Calculate molarity. NaOH, first of all, molar mass of NaOH. Atomic mass of sodium is 23 plus 16 plus 1, that is 40 gram per mole. So now we have to find the molarity. Molarity is equal to mass of solute, mole of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Mole of solute, that is rate of solute upon molar mass into, if the solution is ml, so that we have to divide by 1000. So 4 by 40 into 1000 by 250. 4 by 10, that is 0.40 molar. Now next question we have to discuss. Question is question number 3rd. Hydrochloric acid contains 38% HCl by mass. What is molarity of the solution? Density is 1.19 gram cubic centimeter. So that we have to calculate according to question. Weight of HCl is 38 gram. Let expressed in gram. Weight of HCl is 38. Molar mass of HCl, that is 1 plus 35.5, that is 36.5 gram per mole. So according to density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is given 1.19. Total mass is 100 gram per cubic centimeter by V. V is equal to 100 gram, 1.19 gram. This is cubic centimeter. Gg should be cancelled, and this is the volume. Now we have to find molarity. Molarity is equal to mole of solute, that is 38 by 36.5 into, if the volume is cubic centimeter, then change into liter, it can divide with 1000 upon 100 into 1.19. That is 38 by 36.5 into 1000 into 1.19 upon 100. This is the answer, mole per liter. Now discuss another problems regarding this topic. Calculate. Question is calculate molarity and normality of solution adding. First question is that 100 ml of 0.2 molar H2SO4 mixed with 50 ml of 0.1 molar HCl. First of all, we have to find the number of moles. Both are acids, so the number of moles increases. So, number of moles of H2SO4, that is 0.2 mole into 1000 upon 100. That is 100 upon 1000. So the number of moles is 0.02 mole. And equivalent, when convert into equivalent, 0.02 into 2, that is 0.04 gram equivalent. Similarly, the number of mole of HCl, 0.1 into 50 by 1000. This is cancelled. That is 5 by 1000. That is 0.1000 by 5, 0.005 mole. And equivalent is also, due to basicity is 0.005 gram equivalent. the total volume is 100 ml plus 50 ml, that is 150 ml. When converted to liter, 150 divided by 1000, that is 0.150. Total moles, number of moles is 0.02 plus 0.005 divided by 0.150, that is 0.025 upon 0.150, and answer is 0.167 mole. Well, this is the molarity. When we calculate the normality is number of gram equivalent, that is 0.04 plus 0.005 upon 0.150, that is 0.045 divided by 0.150, which is equal to 0.3. 0.3 normal. This is the answer. Molarity and normality can be calculated in this way. The second question is that $100 ml of 0.1 molar H2SO4 mixed with 50 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH. One is acid, other is base. So that first of all, number of moles H2SO4, 0.1 into 100 divided by 1000, so that 0.01 mole, and gram equivalent is 0.01 into 2, 0.02 gram equivalent. Similarly, number of moles of NaOH, that is 0.1 into 50 upon 1000, that is 5 by 1000, that is 0.005 mole, and equivalent 0.005 gram equivalent. Now it means 0.005 mole of NaOH neutralize 0.005 mole of H2SO4. So that concentration remains 0.01 minus 0.005. It means 0.005. Remains mole. So molarity of the solution is 0.005 and volume, total volume is 100 plus 50, that is 150 ml. 150 divided by 1000, that is 0.150 liter. Divide by 0.150. This is mole per liter. Similarly, normality of the solution is this is the 0.002 and this one is 0.0. It means it neutralizes with 0.02, 0.005. So the normality of the solution is, which remains the concentration of acid, 0.015 divided by 0.150. This is gram equivalent per liter solutions. Now we discuss